Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the intestate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors. Let us take care of probate.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
A successful customary proxy marriage application without leaving the UK. Case brief. The client came to the UK in January 2023 as a dependent partner of a skilled worker. Unfortunately, the relationship broke up because her husband had met another woman. The husband reported their relationship breakdown to the Home Office, and our client was sent a revocation letter, giving her 60 days to find another visa route or leave the UK. She met her childhood boyfriend, who had been pursuing her since she arrived in the UK. Challenge. They decided to get married. However, because the time available to her was short, We advised them to ask their family members in Ghana to undergo a Ghanaian customary marriage. The family subsequently contracted the marriage, and it was registered at the district marriage registry in Ghana. Neither our client nor her husband was present at the ceremony. In November last year, 2025, she brought her application for us to send to the Home Office. Strategy and solution. Under UK immigration rules and case law, Ghanaian customary law marriages are recognized as valid if the process complied with Ghanaian law, even if the man and woman were not present at the marriage ceremony. We prepared a detailed representation and submitted her application. Process and timeline. She enrolled her biometrics on the 12th of December 2025. Outcome. Our client was granted 2.5 years as a spouse on the 1st of February 2026. Nugget Ghanaian customary law, proxy, marriage, is recognized in the UK, even if the parties were not present at the ceremony. The process must follow Ghanaian law, including registration and certification. Always seek legal advice from professionals who understand the laws of England and Ghana. Facing complex immigration issues? Contact BWF Solicitors today.
493-7340 or 077-127-61884.
Rainbow Radio. 0.4 FM and DAB+. Rainbow Radio. 0.4 FM. DAB+.
OPD, good morning.
Thursday na emirasun ya betwetwe nkomo yene BWF Solicitors eba betwetwe nkomo mesoro bibia wo bia no tweben wo fidi no na yemfa nsame wo hɔ ndene yemfa na meni kofa bae opanyine pa wo da dwumede ya no Uncle Ben ankasa na eba betwetwe nkomo nti na wa prepare questions na ya de hɔ no so de abro mesoro say bomodin ko Facebook sisi a na ko search Rainbow Radio UK Rainbow Radio UK na hwedwumede ni bi live sanso so na be fa akonya we anso so asan ko Facebook wa na wa search BWF Solicitors ewo yam Facebook eno so stream ho live and pay obenya dwumede ni bi no wa hwe wo ko website so no so obenya dwumede ni bi ho na wa hwe wo pay omo informations a lawyers omo ni omo ye dwuma ho wo pese wo hu se de mo si bo dwuma ni na wo ko website wa ebusia wotimi enya omo information ni bi na wotimi everyday na bibia setimi akama ntana pay BWF Solicitors in no between Manka Ben I crado ahoma so means emre san ready bi kopa na yan fan komono en hwehwe so na yan hwe de be betumi aye ene anope Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning, OPD. Let to say.
Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning. What's your name?
Let me check him sound. Okay, I think so. Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning, OPD.
Yeah. Love at your work or dear.
Adum namoso
Nyame adom yanso ho ye papa na megidi se workers ban lawyers engineers even obi o ye dmo ho bia na pe megimdi se mu nyina obi a ho ye anape
OPD anope die otwedi ampon nyame adaro makwa yetimi asore ama yene yenuanom Ghana for eba bedin kita ho na megidi se Dr. Mark ne na pam for OPD Irene mo amokeka ho Ghana and London ewo DAB, YouTube, Facebook, website, bebia I hope so munyina moso mo hoye.
Fantastic. Yes, you who you
kasa ya
papa papa.
kakra
Mm.
wa mu ache nti
The last week I na me catch Uncle Frank say me ton catch nti. On kan just me tiao. Yeah.
ayɛ
Yeah.
nokorɛ
Yeah.
yɛda
Mm.
ase na nɔpɛ
Mm.
nso yɛbɛfa
Yeah.
kwanya nso de akyia Ghanafoɔ
Mm.
na yɛada wɔn ase sɛ
Mm.
mo nyinaa bɛka yɛn ho na
Yeah.
anɔpɛ yi yɛbɛdi dwuma na dwuma a yɛba abɛdi no sɛbe nneɛma bi a ɛyɛ a ɛnkɔ yie no ɛno na yɛde ɛba abɛto dwa
Okay.
nti obi anɔpɛ yi deɛ yɛhyɛ wo nsa.
All right, and a pedia shamonsa na just Jumedinana, ya shasi, and until Miss Ross said, didn't kakano, any Uncle Ben ever to chunkum was. I believe some Jackasana is a media Uncle Ben or the room update in the Ohon, the Ohon, or the Nia Camodia man, the Nia Bro, into Miss Row, Master. Now, what Ben will feed you no questions in a bombardina chicken before I'm always sending them. Now, so, Uncle Ben Cassana, Uti, the customer, wash and ask more kind of phone, one, wash and over fast to seat belts, and they say, Vias, my come up. But Mudding, none the page from which I kind of from. Na montu dwumadi mfa ma ɛsan sɛ ɛba ne sɛ mblɛmu a ɔmo abɛn paa na ɔmo mbɔ ɔno nso tumi gyina ɔno asenta ne pɛmɛ de ɔmo namba bɛma wo na frɔ mo na fa wo bisa de to ɔmo nim na ekyire no menya mbrɛ na adagye no medi ɔmo ho adansa ɛden ɛde ama nti bɔ mmɔden na frɔ Uncle Ben anaasɛ BWF Solicitors ana pay ɛwɔ 020-8493-7340 020-8493-7340 ɔbɔ 7 Sisters wopie firi underground train station wode wogyina wokora no ɔfrɛ no a yɛbɛba bɛfo ano pɛi bɔ mmɔde no book appointment ansa na mayɛ late mo enti ma menkɔ me boss wɔ Uncle Ben na afei no yɛnkɔ twetwe nkɔmmɔ Uncle Ben anapɛ mede ɛfidie no hyɛ wo nsa megya microphone no ama wo anapɛ mu de yɛfa he na update koraa wɔ hɔ a deɛ na ɛwɔ hɔ na anapɛ yɛntio
Yo, OPD, anɔpɛ yi deɛ baabi a yɛde bɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛyɛ information a aba. Anɔpɛ yi mobɛhu a sɛ mohwɛ right wing newspapers na Mirror, Daily Mail, Daily Express. Wɔn nyinaa sɛ Keir Starmer sɛ nsesan a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde ba no, Labourfoɔ ama ne ho akyerɛ no papapapapapapa. Nti si a ɔdwen ho yie paa. Wobɛhu a mayɛ video koraa a sisi ɛda YouTube a na mɛka akyerɛ yɛ nuanom a wɔbaa ha sɛ yɛse ebi a from next couple of months no wɔba sesa law no sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a nka mo a within 5 years na moanya indefinite leave no wɔba abɛsesa akɔ 10 years. Edin a wɔde ato no ɛyɛ earned settlement. Na kyerɛ sɛ settlement a ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ adwuma anaa woya biribi na wodi nya. Biribi a ya earn no kyerɛ sɛ woayɛ effort. Nti wo earn income. Kyerɛ ka sɛ earned settlement a na kyerɛ sɛ biribi a wode effort aba mu, wode ahoɔden akɔ mu na woanya. Na no na ɔmo bɛka sɛ yɛ maame Shabana Mahmood na maame no deɛ menim sɛ ne papa mo a mofi Pakistan no sɛ ɔmo ayɛ no biribi o sɛ dan o. Asɛ deɛ nneɛma bi nhyɛ da nkɔ yie papa. Na ne nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ a although sɛ ɔtry sɛ ɔbɛyɛ a bit tough no ayɛ a ɛntwa. Sɛbe care workers a ɔmo baa ha from 2000, 2001, 2002 no ɔmo baa no yɛka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo baa 5 years ana ɔmbɛnya indefinite leave. Yes, you nim sɛ ɔno tumi sesa. Nti wode pɛ sɛ ɔde kɔ 10 years a that it's up to you. Yɛdeɛ nkɛnyɛ yɛ problem. But nipa no a wode no ahyehyɛ ama no aba ha on 5 years no ada na wobɛka kyerɛ ne sɛ ɔno nso no wode no wobɛkɔ 10 years. Ɛne na ama labourfoɔ bu afu paa labourfoɔ sɛ wontumi ne obi nhyehyɛ agreement anɔpa sɛ 5 years na awia wakɔka kyerɛ ne sɛ ɛnyɛ 5 na yɛ 10 na mmom ne ɛyɛ saa na saa British sense of justice and a fair play and a fairness no ɛwɔ because biribi a yɛyɛ biara no wobɔ kɔkɔ nti wobɛtumi a deɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ no deɛ yɛate aseɛ but memfa nstarte ɔmo a ɔmo wɔ ha dada ti date na a wode ba no ka ne sɛ after that date no obi a ɔbɛba biara no ɛyɛ 10 years na kyerɛ sɛ nipa no kɔtua ne visa fee no wɔba a na onim sɛ saa na teɛ ampa wohwɛ a ɔmo de biribi baa a sɛbe obi wɔ ha na ɔsɔkye ɛkɔ care route a ɛyɛ 6135 6136 a wontumi mfa wo kun ne wo ba a wawo no nka ho wɔ ha ɛno koraa so hwɛ a ntwa yie ebi na nkɔmo ba bɛyɛ a labourfoɔ Ndra ɛne ne nansa Angela Rayner ɔbaa bi a sɛbe
ne ho adin yie a n'ani so ɛhyɛ papapapapapa ne biribi ya te sɛ Margaret Thatcher bɔno na school no na wɔnhyɛ da nkɔ ne yie but n'ani ɛde ɔde yɛ papa no twitwi fam kakra nti ama yɛ papa no abɔ brem ama ɛnɛ no yɛate sɛ wɔka sɛ ebia ɛnya mmaa yɛbaa yɛbɛma mo ate ebia mo a mowɔ ha dada no ɛnka mo ebia mo a mowɔ ha dada no saa ne yɛreka yɛsɛ nipa no ɔwɔ ha dada no up to time a wɔbɛyɛ decision no ɛno deɛ ɔno deɛ ni sɛ ɛka no because ɔde kɔka no a na wɔsɛe no deɛ bio deɛ aba mo a mowɔ care sector moyɛ sponsors mokɔfa nkurɔfoɔ ba mesrɛ mo monhwɛ ne yie paa deɛ yɛhu in the background because yɛhwɛ care businesses no bebree so ade a yɛhu ne sɛ mo a montua workers no momma ɔmo wɔ hours no ɔmo astarte frɛ mu nyinaa nti wɔ hɔ a ne asɛne o email yɛsɛ fa 6 months pay slips bra for obiara a wo sponsor de bia na wode ba a na ɔmo ahwɛ mu ɔmo hwɛ mu a na ɔmo ayiyi ɔmo a wontua ɔmo ka ne yie ɔmo a wontua ɔmo kakra ɔmo a ɔmo ɔmo hours na ɔmo abisa wo sɛ adan na ɛti sei case law bi aba high court ne sɛ deɛ home office yɛ na yɛ mmara so ama memahu bebree business kɛseɛ bi paa ɔwɔ Ghana ni business a ɔwɔ Enfield ɔmo agye ne business afiri ne nsam membu m'ani koraa ne nkurɔfoɔ ɔde ɔmo aba ha a wagye ɔmo atena yɛ over 350 sisi ɔmo nyinaa ɔmo adwuma abɔ nti yɛsrɛ mo adwumafoɔ no monyɛ mo adwuma no yie na de bia meka no sɛ law no nyɛ mo adwuma nti ɛwɔ sɛ wofa lawyer a ɔyɛ good na ɔsupporto te sɛ na wobie care home a wofa HR department wofa accountant ɔhwɛ no saa na nka mo license no momfa lawyer papa na ɔnkɔmhwɛ mo because ntwa sɛ wobɛba akɔfa obi aba kurom ha sɛ wobaboa no bia wayɛ adwuma do 4 years nka ka 1 year na nka wanya indefinite leave na sisi a no yɛagye wo license no which means sɛ wɔ sɛ ɔkɔpɛ obi foforɔ nti monhwɛ new law a home office de aba no sɛ ɔmo frɛ mo a adeɛ a ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmo hwɛ no sɛ motua ka yie nti si a no ɔmo hu sɛ hɔ na problem no wɔ ɔmo sɛ wontua ka yie a ɔmbɛgye wo license high court nso ama ɔmo tumi sɛ deɛ ɔmo yɛ no yɛ ne nokorɛ so ebiom English no from next year March ɛkɔ B2 speaking and listening for the normal route no for skilled worker route deɛ speaking listening reading and writing 4 ne nyinaa kɔ B2 bi mo wɔ B2 dada but for families for skilled workers dependent ɔmo nyinaa ɛkɔ B2 mesrɛ mo wonim sɛ ɔborɔfo nka na ɔborɔfo no nkyɛ da nyɛ papa a na yɛ JSS anaa SS a kɔpɛ school bi kɔpɛ school kɔ deɛ advice a mede ma obiara ne sɛ me maame wanhyɛ da nkɔ school meka sɛ wanhyɛ da nkɔ school no wankɔ bi koraa ɛnso sɛ bi ohyia me papa a ɔyɛ krakye ɔyɛ engineer no ɔkaa sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ne yere tumi ho akenkan asɛm a meka ne a wɔ mi hɔ nti wobɛhwɛ a saa taa na me maame wadi ebi me papa de ne kɔ school ama me maame kɔsua sɛneɛ kenkan sɛneɛ ka borɔfo sɛneɛ twerɛ sɛneɛ ade nti me maame na ɔyɛ adwuma wɔ Makɔla na ɔkɔkɔ ase kɔfa nneɛma bibie ni hɔ a ɔka kyerɛ na ɔnte aseɛ ana ɔntumi nka ana addition bie ni hɔ a ɔde ma na ɔntumi nyɛ ana ɔtumi twerɛ ne din ɛtumi twerɛ alphabet saa na wo so kɔ school a wobɛtumi akenkan wei na metoma Ghanafoɔ last week Friday yɛhyia Ghanafoɔ wobɛyɛ almost about 350 ɛwɔ Zoom so ne yɛyɛ education mo a moyɛ entrepreneur no a mopɛ adwuma ayɛ no sɛ wo so nimadeɛ a wobɛtumi ate online school na wote twi ne nkrane a yɛgbe ne deɛ keka ho no na wo so wokyerɛ Ghanafoɔ adeɛ na nka wo so wagye kakra na abɛyɛ side job mesrɛ mo because woantwa a ɛmfa wobɛ renew no saa yɛnim sɛ renewal no nso ne bo ɛden sen indefinite leave sɛ ne bɛyɛ a ɛnkɔ ha madwene the final one nso yɛsrɛ mo mmaa no a mowowo no a mo boys no ɛnhyɛ da nnim abrabɔ mu nkɔlaa no papa no a ɛnɛ yɛgyegye British passport no mayɛ video mmienu my live program back on. Obano ohia British passport. Opesa oye wasetena Obano ohia British passport. Enti sa wohwe na yese ko na koye DNA na wo religion ene wo cultural practices ni bi emmoa se wo be DNA a memfa wasem nko because on beka se koye DNA. Yes, material law no so muntimi nka se koye DNA no kra. Omo a law na ka se omuntimi mbisa se koye DNA. But law no nso say passport no enye right, a discretion. Bibi a discretion biya no obetimi aka se na mmom niema na wo de aba a kire yen se wo ba no ne papa ni no yen no yen hyeda ngi ntum papa enti odo se DNA nye compulsory no mesremo mo pa mo nye DNA mra na no mo ba a ene be ma ye ho adwe yen na ehu se ampa ade no eye no kore mesremo British passport for akola se wonim se mo wo religion bi mo wo culture bi mo wo niema bi a mo ye a enti no muntimi nye DNA a menka se nya ne papa onye sa na bekan me say because obi wo ho a owo culture bi obi wo ho a owo religion bi ma menka asem kiro enra papa bi ba ha over Ivory Coast watena ha 22 years waware 14 years one oba na wo ne ba na di 4 years papa ne nya ne British citizenship 2014 enti ne ba no British me catch ne say ose obi visitors application man ne ba ne refuse and I'm sure there be ne ba ne British enti eni so yes sir and ose application omo ye no mo ka say ne ba no kra no omo njindi ana me catch so okay yenko ye DNA Ivory Coast yi onya Ghana ni wudi masema ka kire me ose there be person be ye DNA wa ware oba no 14 years wudi masema ka kire ose lawyer me ti kromo ha oba na ti Ivory Coast me ka say wakobo adwaman na me ba me do no awadi 4 years no me ko ye DNA na e ka say nya me ba na me de fa he na me meja no do ana ase de ti lawyer me de ya na me mpe DNA ase ti DNA no enye nkrofo bebree a omonye no enye so omonye because akola na nye omo ba o omonye because one on ti DNA na ase two what is DNA no etimi ye faulty because we catch and say 99.3% or say 0.7% they say betimi e faili aya no kwan so
yeah it's true yeah
me client be ye DNA ama unfortunately akola no yese nya ne ba me office ha aha boy no border and asema American I'm telling you yes starting is soon me no ka say other so mental health for nsem this is about 6 years ago that's what nsem now who read the home office guidance notes almost say obi the DNA ba na nye papa no ba munye very careful some more papa na mane
okay
oyene enya de ketwa o enti so bisa onye DNA na bia obo bibi nti ose onye DNA no enti na America say opese wo oba na waba ha na woni kun na wabehia boy bi na one wanyem na unim say yakase monko ye DNA na wonko ya memfa wasam nko British passport so ko wun ya British passport na what they apply for parenthood ama 2.5 years unya akola no birth certificate ne papa no passport copy e kire so ya British anaasɛ ne share code anaasɛ ne e-visa kyerɛ sɛ ɔwɔ indefinite stay anaa ne e-visa kyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ EU or settled status saa nneɛma mmienu wei birth certificate and proof of father's settlement or British citizenship ɛno kyerɛ sɛ ɔba no ɔyɛ British under section 11 of the British Nationality Act wohia DNA wohia British passport sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a British passport for no nkɔ haw ɛno nansa girl bi a ɔsɛn me text message ɔsɛ daddy mintimi na mintimi ndidi mintimi nyɛ na mesu saa because ɔmra interview ana me ka jenza interview no ma no nkɔ ɔbɛkɔ a ɔno nko a ɔbɛkɔ papa no nkɔ bi because papa no nti kromo a akɔtena Ghana da na ɔmbɛyɛ interview na papa no bɛdu ha minim sɛ ebisa no question ɔbɛtoto apa so
ɔbɛtoto apa so
ka kyerɛ sɛ ɔno nkɔ bi mu kora wɔ hɔ ɔmo application na ɔmo ayɛ dada ɔmo de ba ya withdraw application no ama ya ade bi wɔ akyiri ama ennɛ nkɔlaa no British aban atwerɛ yɛ aka kyerɛ sɛ nkɔlaa no yɛ British the passport office ka no ɔmo mfa ntom ɔmo deɛ ɔmo agye atom sɛ akɔlaa no yɛ British nti ɔhema menkɔgye British passport wo ne lawyer nkasa wonhia British passport ma wo ba no agye sɛ wonim sɛ ukunu no anaa akɔlaa no papa no yɛsi yɛnyɛ DNA a ɔbɛyɛ because nyɛ bɛrima biara na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ DNA nti wei ne update a mede brɛ yɛ nua
Good. Update with the him. Update you is topic of the day because the audio playing say so we're still live on Rainbow 92.4 FM Ebusia and then Uncle Ben any and then at the update in the brain na yɛbɛtie akɔ topic of the day na afei yɛde no so ɛde abrɔ ntimi so ebi a wo bi asɛde me di nkankan no wokɔ BWF Solicitors a ɔmo bɛboa wo na wɔn krata asɛm no etumi egyina ne nan so na wɔn so wotumi etu anamo a wɔsɛ wotumi tu ɛwɔ UK mountain so nti me nsɛm bɛ san sɛ mmerɛ de bi kɔ nti me de mmerɛ ne mank ben na afei ɔde topic of the day no so de abɛn na afei no yɛhu bibi yɛde yɛn other side no so bɛfa so Uncle Ben membrɛ na afei no one mu nso awie de na kyɛ sɛ fanyɛ ti sim na yɛnhwɛ na topic of the day no afei no yɛnwura dawrama
yo menua OPD anɔpa yi deɛ topic a yɛde ba no sɛ wohu sɛ yɛde topic bi ba na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ problems a yɛhu ɛwɔ community nim ɛne nti na yɛde saa topic ba no ɔsɛ when is a genuine and subsisting relationship required under the immigration rules when is a genuine and subsisting relationship required under the immigration rules. Aseɛ kyerɛ ne sɛ dabɛn anaa dɛn nti ana woyɛ application a na wogyina ɔbaa so anaa bɛrima so a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhu sɛ mpra no a motwe no anaa ma wareɛ no ɛyɛ aware pa anaa sɛ ɛyɛ nokorɛ. Enti wobɛti a yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no sham marriage yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no marriage of convenience ana yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no fake marriage. Enti sham bogus and answer marriage of convenience. Now, who read the case law now? Explain ni nyina ade a ɛkyerɛ. Me emphasis ene part and paragraph 6 of the immigration rules. And in the define ade a marriage of convenience. Marriage of convenience, so we share law no very carefully. Bibi a sɛbe ɛha adwene kakra nti wohwɛ normally no ɔmo nti a meyɛ wei yɛ ɔmo wɔ skilled ɔmo ba ha students a ɔmo ne ɔmo yere na ɔmo ne kun ɔmo ɛkɔ 2 year post study anaasɛ graduate route anaasɛ si akora de 1.5 years mobɛhu sɛ nkurɔfoɔ bebree na moyɛ application a ɔmo refuse because nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a ntɔ yie mɛma nneɛma no ba mpɛ sɛ me explain it. Home office genuine and subsisting relationship ɛyɛ requirement nti sɛ wopɛ sɛ wogye asetena wɔ ha ɛwɔ sɛ wokyerɛ sɛ wawareɛ no ɛte ase anaasɛ ɛwɔ hɔ ana 2 awareɛ no yɛ aware pa anaa mpenatwe no yɛ aware because nyɛ aware nko a na yɛde yɛ ɛtumi de mpenatwe sɛ wo ne obi atwe mpena for 2 years na wɔ evidence a wobɛtumi de ayɛ. The second part no ɛyɛ o circumstance a wɔde ɛyɛ saa de no wobɛhu sɛ home office nneɛma a wɔhwɛ no sɛ woyɛ biribi ma wɔde abirikyi immigration na ana nti factors a wɔhwɛ ɛyɛ nneɛma bebree ebi ɛyɛ documentary evidence ebi ɛyɛ evidence a wɔn gather ebi ɛyɛ personal statement and supporting letters ebi ɛyɛ nneɛma a wo fill wo form no wakɔtwerɛ na OPD de saa sɛ ne sɛ yɛn nuanom bebree wɔ hɔ a wɔyɛ application a wobɛhu sɛ bɛrima no te Timbuktu na ɔbaa no te Omua Fankyene Bra. Problem no sɛ ɔbɛrima no te Timbuktu na ɔbaa no te Omua Fankyene Bra. Na wosan de kɔhyɛ form no so sɛ home office yi mete Omua Fankyene Bra ba me kun deɛ ɔte Timbuktu. Asɛm a woka kyerɛ ɔmo no sɛ mepaakyɛw kurom akora nyɛ me debut mu fa me nkɔ fie. Because yes say subsisting and genuine relationship. Subsisting is our real no. Now what to go more Fankyene Bra ana obema na tete Timbuktu a moye de hu moye de ebobra more evidence a kyerɛ sɛ mo every week every day. How often or ticket or travel or train ticket or car or petrol or bus or ebi kra wafo plane ukɔ Birmingham ne Manchester ɔhene mesrɛ mo na mo ɛha mo ho woyɛ application a ɛwɔ sɛ wo ne ɔbaa ne bɛrima mo address ɛyɛ baako sɛ anyɛ baako a ɛraise suspicion nti yɛfrɛ Immigration Act of 2014 Section 40, Section 13, Section 28. Ne nyinaa ɛkyerɛ nneɛma a tumi a aban no wɔ. Nti wonya de different address to o form no so pɛ. Na wo pɛ sɛ refuse your application. In fact, ɔmo a yɛ refuse ɔmo dodoɔ ne nyinaa ɛyɛ obi yɛ care, obi ɛyɛ skilled worker. Ɔmo atete ɔmo mu because ɔmo de adwuma nko a na ɔmo baa sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ. Ɔmo ni ɔmo ni address baako. If ɔmo wɔ mma anaa mma wɔ mu koraa nkɔlaa no ne ɔmo maame na te anaa nkɔlaa ne ɔmo papa na te na maame no te baabi na ɔno yɛ adwuma na ebi a bɛyɛ wayɛ koraa no mu hu ɔmo ho. Wode saa de ne bi kɔ a interview koraa yɛ mfrɛ ebe refuse straight away. Sɛ wowɔ ha na wo ne wo yere wɔ hɔ a ɛnyɛ obiara na obi joint account. But for immigration purposes, no, mumbie joint account. Joint account, no, sir, Chromo had the Sabi in your bema bia and a one thing. And to be or the kakraba, now ban so the kakraba. And when I was good. Into all the air, ebia bema or the 80%, or ban the 20%. Me whom may be almost 50-50. Bimunsu yano, 20-80. Mesrɛ sɛ 10-90 o 50-50 o ne nyinaa nkɔ faako. Advice a mede ma menka sɛ obiara o mesɛ wonim sɛ wobɛyɛ immigration application a because yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no joint financial commitment. Wobɛhu sɛ wofele wo form no a yɛbisa wo sɛ mowɔ joint financial commitment anaa mowɔ biribi a mommienu mu de mu sika yɛ anaa. Then na wode kyerɛ wode joint bank account ana kyerɛ ama wa print it or bank statement. 2, tenancy. Ebetimi aye baako din, but ideally no eye mumienu mu din a eye. Obi wo hɔ a no nhye dan kɔ rented dan or to be fee. Woni nipa no nkasa na ɔbɔ letter. Letter ya ye boy eye very easy. Ma bobi egu live program so that. And to whom it may concern. Re Abia 41 Manor Park House, N12 1TD. I, Akia Tenewa, I can confirm that OPD and Mansa Menu live at this accommodation. They are lodgers and therefore do not have a tenancy agreement. Simple. When you brofo tintin bia. Mo bank statement support. Ebi a pay slip no so ideal say obemo masasa letter no. Obi also na me ye adwuma na me the address come on ebi a me ye adwuma o Birmingham. Address no so me ye London. Address for postal purposes. Into what they ma wo employer na was me ye adwuma o Birmingham there, but me family home London. Ontimi engineer no so nka say na me ma wadwuma because anopa ya see start 7 wo ho ono de ehia ne say ya adwuma waba
na waba be adwuma.
That's as simple as that. Sister we pay slip no na we pay slip address ntimi nya London na wo matrimonial home enya Birmingham and I say we pay slip ntimi nya Manchester na wo matrimonial home enkoye Milton Keynes because a basa na a raise suspicion. GP Obi a wo kromo ha wo ye student, wo ye skilled worker, wo ye graduate route. Wa ware mun nyina monko 1 GP. Eye for me no eye mandatory. Mun nyina. Now lawyer time ben yenko GP. Me se mo ware a nti mo ware awie no a mo application, it can be the second one, not the first one. Because when law know about first one, or say more intention, some more better on Casamote.
Yeah.
Or first application 2.5, no. Mr. Mama mean church, na man come here confused. More mean more ntimi yes program yi. Eye more student more switch akọ graduate route. More na yeta refuse mo pa. Anansi student more switch akọ skilled worker. Mo yere mo ne mu kun no mo refuse o. Me say wo worry British and obi one definitely. O first 2.5 no. Yes, say we show some more better. At the moment, no more than money man or it may be different addresses. That's okay. But for students, almost switch our skilled worker and our graduate route. What do you want to know that? Enti mo ko akoji bibi fofora. I was saying much for say 1 year now, only na back room as a student and our skilled worker, graduate route, and more skilled worker. Only not now. Enti wo here sa evidence. We need evidence just a mutibo GP letter, joint bank statement, and our bank statement at the same address. More problem. Ain't the way I was some resolve no mumbisa landlord. Me who so be a bisa na wa obetimi a throw letter no. Mr. Me a lawyer, me timi kan just wa obetimi a throw. Na mo fiera no ntebrofo no se trauma no non sign a obetimi a trauma no assign. Ade obeka ne se ono ne fie ne ye ne dia na the proof say fie ne ye ne dia ka ho na momote ho as lodgers enti money tenancy agreement no assign na odin ne oba ne din ana oba ne din ne be ma ne din abaso enti monya GP letter chese mo the same GP a confirm address monya bank statements a confirm the same address monya pay slips a confirm the same address ana monya landlord letter and our tenancy agreement a confirm the same address. So mo ye way nyina na che say mo prove say it is more likely somewhat together enti ma warrior no a genuine and subsisting relationship. Maka way nyina no home office etimi ye mistake. Ebi wo ho a mote enso osemonte. Se home office ka kire wo say wa warrior no enye papa ono na wo prove say wa warrior enye papa.
Yeah.
Sa case law here. Case law say home office say wa warrior na nye papa or no home office and it was approve. The entire tesa na say your law no very very emphatic on what constitutes genuine relationship, marriage of convenience, sham marriage, and arranged marriage. Ni nyina wanna say we hear application. Now home office was suspicion. One, was all kind of suspicion natural. Two, so suspicion no say all car chrewa was so chrewa mra tia ojina so de ka say suspicion we nti ana meye because your friend case be your friend on Nas a 2012 citation, although say a entry clearance, say neka or say a bind, say a reasonable, and I say a share, say obi se ma warrior ne ya warepa na etiasia. It will so show be a friend supporting an affectionate relationship. I will also show evidence of regular contact. To what I'm not thinking, sir. How often am I? Who will prove so what aba? Who will prove so what if you? Now I'm what if you are? I don't know address what Birmingham. Yes, we are about Birmingham. Yet yes, but also address no fact Milton Keynes. Emotional support, affection, and abiding interest in each other, welfare and well-being. Sa case no judge no say sa niema na wanhu ni nti no onye satisfied say oma form genuine and durable relationship I show affection and companionship Affection yɛ dɛn ɛyɛ ɔdɔ. Companionship yɛ dɛn ɛyɛ nkabom. Enti wo se wowɔ ɔbaa a wogyina no so, wowɔ bɛrima a wogyina no so a, Mother's Day atwam, woma no Mother's Day card, wotɔ flowers. Wotɔ flowers a, online wowɔ receipt, fa kyerɛ. Valentine Day atwam yi, wotɔ flowers, wotɔ chocolate. Keep receipt no na fa kyerɛ. Ebi koraa atwa no photo. Mokɔ out for a meal, anaa ɔyɛ special meal bi maa mo. Ebi a sɛbe na wote sɛ yɛ mu bi ebi a occasionally no wopɛ bi a kokonte ɛna nkatenkwan. Enti that day no wayɛ kokonte ne nkatenkwan ama wo very nicely. Watu table. Woyɛ tetefoɔ no bi ɔde white napkin koraa saa akata so ama beer bi si nkyɛn anaa wine bi si nkyɛn a motwa mfoni because you're telling a story. Ɛyɛ occasion, ɛyɛ your birthday, ɛyɛ ne birthday, ɛyɛ Mother's Day, ɛyɛ Valentine's Day. Sisi akra efrɛ bibi yɛsi efrɛ no Women's Day. Women's Day, mehu sɛ you share gifts. Sorry, you share messages. Or social media. Yɛn nyinaa dodoɔ na wɔ social media. Mimi social media me de yɛ adwuma. Nkurɔfoɔ social media wɔn di kɔkɔnsa. Enti ebi akɔkɔnsa no so a wɔde aba so sɛ oh happy anniversary. Una ɔsi ɔmo ware 2023 January 1st. January 1st woba kurom a yɛnya January 1st baako saa mmiɛnsa. Then na wɔde yɛ anniversary. Then na mo yɛ wɔnyɛ hwee. Wɔn document hwee. Album wɛn. Tete no yɛtwa pictures a na nka yɛde hyɛ album. Ɛnyɛ nyame adaroma iPhone a yɛwɔ nti ɛne nneɛma bi a yɛwɔ ne social media a yɛwɔ nti no yɛ documents nyinaa wɔ hɔ. Wobɛhu sɛ obi a ɔno sɛ waware no na wobɛkɔ ne social media na ɔne bɛrima foforɔ a ɔno na ɛyɛ kɔna fast ɛwɔ so.
Yeah.
Obi bɛka sɛ ɔmo hwɛ paa. Meyɛ big star bi wɔ Ghana. Meyɛ ne case man no. Question on bisa ne sɛ wo saa nipa wei yakɔ wo social media yɛhu sɛ wo ne bɛrima bi kese. In fact, ɔmo de pictures ne brɛ. Na ɔne bɛrima mmiɛnsa ana wɔ social media ɔmo wɔ embrace a ɔmo kese. But the home office for na nhwɛ ne sɛ saa star no ɔyɛ film or act in a film.
Yeah.
Pɛsɛ mɛka sɛ ɔyɛ bɛrima na ɔyɛ ɔbaa. So I'll leave it there.
Yeah.
Na yɛ film. Enti megye film no title ɛne other scenarios ɛne transcript ana mede kyerɛ ɔmo ansa na ɔmo gye atum sɛ ɔmo betumi agyina so de ama akwadaa no ne British passport. Wo social media ɔmo hwɛ ɔmo hu because nkurɔfoɔ bebree na wo social media din ne yɛ wo din.
Yeah.
Sɛm a yɛreka ehu hia na nsɛ wobɛhu sɛ wokɔ America wofele Esther forms na wokɔgye visa yɛbisa wo sɛ wo social media account wɛn. Wo social media account a wo biara no be disclose. UK yɛn started there but ɔmo hwɛ. Mesrɛ mo sɛ wonim sɛ wɔto keka a yɛsɛ atentenhuro hyɛ wɔto a yɛnkɔhwiri gya.
Yeah.
Very careful na start to document wo nneɛma. Deɛ nti a wɔsɛ wo document wo nneɛma no sɛ home office no ansa na ɔmbɛfrɛ wo interview no na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ so suspicious but even the slightest suspicion it may raise instant refusal. And away evidential flexibility ni hɔ. Enti sɛ ɔwɔ doubt about relationship na obetumi refuse straight away. Ebia na yɛ skilled worker ana yɛ student a switch akɔ 2 years enti woni right of appeal but administrative review. Administrative review kɔda hɔ 1 year. Appeal kɔda hɔ 1 year. Obetwɛn 1 year. Na ebia o right to work akɔyɛ problem untimi ntu kwan o maame ana papa yare ana obi aka baabi untimi ntu kwan. Wenti na America akyerɛ wo sɛ follow nneɛma a makan mesan besi so bio. 1. Mun ɛmfa the same GP. 2. Mun use the same address ɛyɛ wɔ mo form so. 3. Mumfa joint account anaa mo bank account no nyɛ the same address. 4. Mumma mo landlord ɛntwerɛ letter ma mo sɛ mo need tenancy agreement. 5. Sɛ wonim sɛ waware 1 year aba 1 year anniversary okay menim sɛ Ghana mmarima no deɛ yɛnyɛ romantics a ba oba no wakai motor flowers be ma no di ni pie o ring a wo hye o dinner mokoi o da flowers online o receipt so o da flowers ebi kura wo ko Tesco's na wo to flowers ebi kura wo ho to flowers wo kwanchen enti normally no my advice is fa tap Apple Pay tia because e be ba bank statement no so watwa flowers ni photo ebi kura wo ko see wasa so we decorating it nicely watwa ni nyina photo saa nneɛma no a moyɛ no nyinaa no o document mesrɛ wo kɔkɔnsa no nneɛma a mode social media yɛ no ɛmhyɛ da mmoa saa o pamokyɛw social media no wobɛtumi de document wopɛ sɛ wo document wo life a wobɛtumi bi mu de yɛ exercise bi mu de encourage bi mu de ma devotional messages bi mu de ma motivational messages ne nyinaa yɛ ba wobɛtumi de document wo life nso nti woaware akuatene wɔ a mɛnkɔfa adwoa mansa nkogu social media ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔno na woni ne piepie ɛbɛka sɛ wo ne akua mansa na ayɛ application no na wakɔfa adwoa manu sɛ happy anniversary to us adwoa manu meanwhile ne akua mansa na ɛyɛ application no ɔmbɛtumi akɔ hu nti advice a mede me ɛyɛ problems a yɛhu nti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛ correct ansa na akɔ home office hɔ nti sɛ wowɔ issue bi a wobɛtumi afrɛ ne akyerɛkyerɛ mu nti OPD aha anam de bɛ
okay Uncle Ben yɛmenhyerɛ paa no nsuo man na afei no menkɔ ahoma no so na memfa yɛ studio lights no to gya anɔpɛ yi Uncle Ben aka sɛ bebree ɛde amɛn mesrɛ sɛ nkɔmmɔ a yɛde twii ebia wɔ question bi pɛ sɛ wobisa wowɔ asɛmtwerɛ bi a wopɛ sɛ wo so wode ba studio line no ɛyɛ 020 822 60484 020 822 60484 and your WhatsApp line also is 0777 1950 989 0777 1950 989 and also your WhatsApp line judgment and pay what's me after what me do message and I say audio crowd by a bebo area amount. And so I call you and the pay live for Rainbow 92.4 FM, a DAB Plaza, and so I'm going to tune in and the pay with me so I can live for Facebook, you call BWF Solicitors website, and then also Jimmy Deno, a go and the pay with me, and you've been soon wash or honor. If you have said to me, I come make quite muscle. Now, I'm my first call and tune up here from what you channel and financial. So, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
We say I would need to be for Adaroma.
Pastor Femina Nayao.
Okay.
Madam say Ejuma Pamo yet to educators.
Okay.
With the lawyer per be application mameba and now me na tam ya wo me ban onya birth certificate dear ketwa normal handwriting no eno NFA so tam ya kwakoye passport no o ma ya koye new certificate no I may be say in this case say Emerson ya application na birth certificate and media hen said me use.
Well, first of all, no, Ghana, ya transition to digital birth certificate. And so first birth certificate na problem be any na unim say a genuine ubetimi a use eno because no ye in time and a new one now my say kobase because omunji India na nkrofo e use birth certificate di twantro kobase birth certificate no o akwala ne nyi ansa na wokọ gia I almost suspicion say and confirm a relationship ubehu say omo ba be refuse application na was say we DNA into wo old birth certificate a ubetime dey aka new one no you sure say information spelling bibia was be correct. 2 your baptismal certificate na say microphone time ya wo Ghana ba e bia baptismal certificate e bi kra wo to ba ne din na wo photo nimbi ana say oko school testimonial na niema no ne nyina confirm ne din and date of birth obetime di ne nyina aka ho na corroborate ya kas bibi corroborate a chesa sembi na bibi e sine pi ana ka soso na amana di mu enti obetime aye sa why.
Okay, yo, me that's it. And I'm about to my last question soon say On application, no mu bisa akwala de no mu bisa say or receive ne mami a receive regular income from the parent. Which is I am sending sika more a comma mami no. But at the end of the application, it be bank statement for it. But any bank statement na enko bank account to mu MoneyGram yeah send no. Ain't no honestly I'm kind of confused there.
Mpacho a momo transfer na okogye cash.
Pacho Momo transfer.
So momo no bia momo wo statement or so. Me momo say metimi call back for the past 1 year or me ama me. Ontiminya onko MTN and Vodafone cash. Or me print statement na man. Why?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it. Bye.
Okay, Yansu Yadasi na Yankofa next caller. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning. What's happening? So good morning. Good morning. What's up? Good morning. Okay. On to Minjina, so young Yankofa next one. Hello, good morning.
Oh, good morning, OPD.
Blappe now, how to say?
Nyamiadum on Bachon's way.
Nyamiadum, and let them home share from Batia, Yala, Ebefan, sir. Let me see. And I pay me into why?
Yo, I'm paying a question. This my nephew, Eko Army. Na, near no percentka, we inviting him, mammy, a bra or your graduation. Problem I want to say, mammy, last year, yes, or backroom her. Often for long beside say onim obi o UK no. Oka say onim obia. As I say, I pay money banana oka say ma se na invite me a pacho create confusion bia. And I'm pissing this line.
Then a buy our caucus on the mobile.
Oh banana nani nua na wahana or say omranti no no so wan kasa ne bawa.
Ana maybe said then a ma or bawa ha said you'll be no catch or secasa uni bawa. Miss Dentino Casa. Maybe our reason to your cancer.
Ono anka na minim ni nti oyelita.
Well, I mean, a visitor's visa, obey me a tribune. Why? And because I want.
Okay, when Obo bit my status or about UK.
Na send a banner invite no, na.
Na still invite no, but only the banner back cabo.
Na then will be a was wabra on worry over. The banner so heavy.
Sorry.
Yeah, I was so castle about why. Na all the evidence I check or banner. Why?
Show you.
Oh, okay then. Yeah.
Okay. Ebeda so ho na yanko ahmaso yanko for next caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hello,
me patrol, good morning. Nyamiadum na mo say.
Nyamiadum. Me gidi say bibi awon bibi aboko de.
Uncle Padu me
Powerful. Uncle Benny too, me into it why.
So, me family route 10 years ni bina. Home office for message me say memory interview. Na me catch you say me nyum to. Mo catch you say na say do mo ntimi interview me. Na me wo ananka me de me ban certificate na ide aba. Ba me application is me so current. They say me who say the me nyem no. Ne papa ye different. Intimate me di ne din aka be set no ho de akọ. Omo se me mfa no ne mbran so na o ma make decision.
Ohema then to no more for interview.
Mr. Ben.
Yes. Me say I didn't almost a bright interview no.
Uncle Ben batch meet.
What you mean can?
Me ba try.
Aha, home office what's in almost a bright interview.
Me ba try.
I didn't almost a bright interview.
Some application won't find mommy to mo ka say memory interview answer.
Would you now buy or you British so?
Me ba try.
Almost suspect say Obana or you British and ne papa na nyane papa. Okay.
I'm okay, sir. Many number, but me catch me try almost say, while worry into no 1% or participate to a process. When I'm a son, so 32 weeks. And I'm okay, send a idea, or my note me circumstance down, but or cancel interview, no. Na me one me de me best me banny best certificate and I send you.
Okay, adia o me kan say almost suspect say oba penny na ugina ne so. Ne papa anya ne papa. Enti adia o mpese o mo ya ne say o me ye o interview. Normal refer my passport office. Passport office be frɛ na omo akasa mo koye DNA. Mwanya o metwa passport. Enti from now they kono men dwen say wo be wo foforo ma wo de kwa na ekosesa bibia ade e wo say wo plan say den na wo be ya wo di be yi sa suspicion every o and then we say you focus why I mean a good so ma cancel a ma opportunity no so be prepare wo case ni yi the problem I wo ye committee no and I am very frustrated in terms of me kasa wo say I very animated a very simple thing Nima bebree wɔ hɔ a yɛnim sɛ ɛnyɛ the right thing. Okay? So wonim sɛ yɛka sɛ monkɔ DNA na mobɛyɛ a absolutely no worries. Monkɔ na monkɔyɛ deɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ biara. Ɛnyɛ normal sɛ woayɛ application on a parent route yɛbɛka sɛ Bryant ɛnyɛ normal. Enti yɛfrɛ wo pɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wohu sɛ akwara no passport no mpɛ sɛ ɔmogye firi wo nsɛm. Ɔmogye firi ne nsɛm a ɔba no nyɛ British bio. O may refuse your application. You refuse your application now because of banning your British now. We are on your qualified child no. We need right of appeal. Now you certify or claim no. And yes, me bo hu. But me try say will prepare na we be our suspicion in free. And for now no, omun bisa o there. Bibi a kyerɛ sɛ akwalaa na a wogyina ne so no. Ne papa no wɔ wabra bom. Onyim one no pictures. Red book na bi kro no de no call way. Ebia onyem no mauska owo e o mauska odaso mauska saa nneɛma no nyina ɔmo bisa o de gada ne nyina na bo decent professional letter na fa ka ho why
La me patrona birth certificate me fa me ba ne papa ni din hwe so na me nyan ne sa
pacho me focus ni hɔ koraa because ɛnyɛ ɔno na sɛm ne ɛka ɔno no nyame adom wobɛwo afa ba nti you focus ni hɔ you focus mpacho you focused o focus ya o bana di omo ye nyina hu di omo ye ba me I know wonim di omo ye omo nim say first child no ne papa nya ne papa okay now suspicion no o second child no wo de ne din hye so one fa ne din an hye so suspicion no ana say na wo ka no second one no nye papa no ba eni nti no mo ka kire say afa bra no omo nim di omo ye omo gi evidence against you ohima I've been in this business for so long say minim sometimes no minim di omo answer na omo ye ma wo focus in free the wokeka no so ma wo focus on call back first one so say then na wo be ya ebe ma omo suspicion akọ forget about oba na wonyem no a good thing wo be wo afa oba but memma wo focus nko eno no nsesa hwe ade ebesesa bibi aye first child no ti wonim say issues wo ho a to one more that's all I'm prepared to say at this stage because aya a hammer so we don't think beyond we be so ni obi wo ho a wo de wanya nyansa ka se papa no mma because only duty be as obeko interview only duty into the work can you correct but it doesn't change the fact that almost suspect say nyane ba oko wanko the person omo ye no mbe into wona se sia no actively we be evidence edi a confirm and ayi sa doubt in free and evidence ni bi na mabobo so no there are other things I can't say here but all I can say is say almost suspicion because enye normal say we be apply say we gina wo ba ya British so ye be cast for interview enye normal.
Well, I think say Uncle Ben, you near by some crampo do be here more also office because in some no Oh, and the end of modern office, why? Also, on come area, still now, you bring him one thing. Yeah, office, why? Yeah, that's a power. My uncle must be fire, no color. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
OPD, good morning.
Yeah, Black person, what is it?
Oba de adumo, yankopon kita yemu kakra. Na wo so e.
Yeah, me ado kite mu tsere wo kan ya, kite mu pa. E na wa pagya wo voice no so ama na ja lawyer to nka wada wo ma why.
Matese.
Mo yankopon shiro fa.
De abakakra.
Ya emu da fa ho sa pe ebo wura ne yanko why.
All right. Ide na mi room na me chia OPD wan kasa ate mi den chia kesen so ma lawyer Bernard Owusu. Me de na me ka say Mr. Owusu de wakoye Abraham awoye bre so te se ododo agya. Hwese na wanya abotre kra ni nipa otwatwe kasa yi a hwe nhyehye a waye sankono nko ani yi di mu a anka ebi anka ombre no ho sa nanso nipa doma ya bedu ha no ma ye ho kire yen ene kwan ya fa so benya asetena tena mu nti wanya opese ode cheche ti se be mayen na etimenya kwan ya fa so a betoto ye nema emi kan nyina ne se Yakopon koso mana hoden titru ni team ono mu ye adwuma ne anije ne opepa owo so de beboa ye no yemu bi no no ma yenim fa enim benkum Yakopon ne wayi na ma ye so meboa ye nti e dem pa ebo ta na chi se bi bia mu no Yakopon kan ono ma no kwatenten a wetim de aboa ye oye me lawyer dada nti no me shada enkasa nkwati
okay.
That's it.
I'm sure. Let's just say, a dance here, about body now, with my lawyer, Nanopi. You better say,
yeah. Lawyer,
okay. And you back as a back door, what I will my okay. Yanko must yanko for next caller. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, Black people, what to say?
What's on here?
Yeah, I say, but you wouldn't be okay for Daruma.
Hello, yeah.
Yeah, but you ain't see why now. I don't generalize.
Monsieur Babia, Professor Mewarino, but I'm quite definite.
But what even can? Oh, voice in wolf from papa, and warming tea. Yeah, some of them we ain't you.
Into no, the person Mewarino bar, or the win or the buyer, or the care even or the buyer, into no. Now, I'm saying, or you depend on now. I'm invoke your license, no, my actual letter. I'm saying some fear say 20, I think next month, 16th. Into no, yeah, me ya warranty, yeah, marriage certificate no Ghana. Date me Eunice, January. Yeah, date in January, but me apply for my naturalization. Now, me fill forms no, baby, on me say. My current marital status, me and a single. Me file a canon quaba, my possession put me in Home Office here. Now, person who say about affect marriage nana since I married certificate here in January no about nana.
Well, I mean, first of all, all your naturalization or your Home Office, okay? So date now with the application no so date no warrior so now okay when you fan call when you're single or you're married it's correct no aye
but what's the lawyer kind no okay in terms of the lawyer kind why okay
now once I made a call certificate no marriage certificate in January. Yeah, date just me January. Now, my application no March. Affecting na.
I affect a moody away. Oh, dear, now, banner, dear.
Affecting naturalization. I mean, yeah, because naturalization me process in March. Yeah.
But what's it then? About affecting no.
Marriage certificate na yeah no. Date me in January. Yeah, January 2026.
Okay, Matthew, okay, no, but what for say about affecting in what way?
Me, you can't say. na suggestion na me no me submitting January can say March ya.
Yeah. Now, until submit your naturalization March. Now, what warrior? What was say ever affected in what way? And I'm pessimist, you know.
Okay. Okay, so Matthias.
Yeah, so we could try and throw there, and yeah, well, you know, but ideally, you know, we wouldn't try and throw because what won't say a problem.
No. I
think say utie ye kasa no radio so eno no mwa yan kwa wadawro manti.
Okay, mami yewe.
Enti yan fa we wi ana. Okay, yan kwa ho so yan fa next caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, OPD. Pacho hoye.
Nyame adobla pe na won so e.
Abdominal ye.
Lawyer bi tie wan pay fa ho se pena ho kaka. Fufu na wudi e fo bogrum ne yanko.
Mate no ko di fufu ampa. Anko bam pacho mjidi so hoye pa ya dawase wo dwumadia wo ye ma community nyame sra dadi. E pacho me ne me yere e ware wo yiyu ni 2020. Ana 2024 no aware no gu ye. Enti me wa aware no jaye no efiri Ghana wo nchen. Na mpacho tenancy agreement na be dey call efficacy am na jaye no. Me started from 2020, 2021, 22, 2024. Couple see jaye no. And I said me the tenancy agreement ba ko ekwa eye. And I memfa na me e wo ho no mo. Tenancy agreement me na enkwa na sese na ba ko nya. But that's it.
Okay, KK. Well, I mean, first of all, you retain writer. I don't know KK can wasem no. Not just I was nema 1. Some worry at least 3 years about. 2. Somewhat in the UK at least 1 year. 3. Say why you divorce. 4. Data why you divorce no na oba no UK. The nema mabobo so nyina a documentary evidence. Enti ohwe a wo de wo NI hyemo a ebeyi wo date number and ebe kyerɛ documents a wo sɛ wo de kɔ. But first of all, wobenya bibi for oba no ana mo mienu a kyerɛ date na wo ye divorce no. Saa date ɛfa sɛ wo ye divorce March 2024 wobenya bibi a for March 2024. Tenancy agreement is helpful, but nneɛma ɛboa bebree yɛ bibi te sɛ council tax, P60s, P45s, bank statements, utility bills, ne saa nneɛma no. Enti, ɛnyɛ da biara na wobɛ show 5 years no with documents because woyɛ application a yɛbisa wo NI. Wo NI no ɛbɛkyerɛ sɛ na wowɔ ha. Ana ɔbaa no nso wowɔ ne reference number yɛ 3434 na ɛno nso wode hyɛ mu a ɔmutumi hu sɛ na ɔwɔ ha anaa na ɔni ha. Enti so ɔmo hu ɔmbɛbisa. But ɛyɛ mandatory sɛ date na woyɛ divorce no. ɛwɔ sɛ wonya documents ɛkyerɛ sɛ saa date no na ɔwɔ kurom ha. Enti documentary evidence will be helpful. Why?
Uncle Patrol, me ba kurom ha no me wo GP a BBA no 2020. Enti ɛna 26 no mean to me call for settled status than retain no Patrol.
Okay, so 5 years in the count from date or the worry.
2020, yes.
And you said 2020 or 2026, not 5 years number. And yet, I don't almost a show NI date ya the NI no ma. So we are Juma, Ubunso, Omono, we have application machine qua not trace our dates no. And who contribution Ubunsa Becca date say ye document date say. But a beja date now, documents. You know, I almost use AI. And it's so interesting. To where EU applications are system na nkasa kyerɛw di ɔmo hu ɛne di ɔmo hu. Wobɛhu sɛ wato time a wunni ɔmo hu wasetena no. Nti machine na bɛkyerɛw. Nti woyɛ application na wobɛhu sɛ ɔmɛka sɛ we need the following residential and a residence confirmation. Normal list years no.
Mpacho, and your uncle and that's it.
That's okay.
I mean, Shira was a black penny, not just say, and one, you back say Chiro. Why? You back say Chiro. Okay, I will call my scholar. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, OPD.
Yeah, black penny, what to say?
But I'm saying my issue to present me into my time baby.
Bunim, who issue no, Mr. Sanka, we for office won. Now only Uncle Ben Marcasa or almost a higher way video so in same way be an Ogo Kana and Wakopa. Why? Because a confidential Kakawada woman na Yanisa, one name, why? The ministry of Pastor Watimasi, the ministry. All right, young corner, young for next caller. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Papa, before I know back as I'm a mini idea to go ha. WhatsApp for no be voice message about me you a meko WhatsApp no so ya ko ti voice message ni kakra ho na afi no ma san ba phone light no so nti Obapa Yankopon show so wotumi nya so ma bodi ni be pekasa free
Me patrol me do Obapa me ka say free store.
Ye yakọ ya osem ye mkodi sofo me bo Obapa say o de Obapa so ampa. Okay, Uncle Ben it's you wadoma me it's you.
Good morning. Me patrol me da bus 250 na so na me hear me last one no I think say me dey go to September. Up to now me san cry. Me san cry until me name say bia bibi na esi na bibi me name ntia. And secondly so omo ma me kweku man kweku me emra me nya 5 years no because of me banning tea. And so me person me feel so omo ma me dying so me say they affected dying on the man me na say me okay me patrol.
Patrol, I bet the first time omo ma 2.5 years.
Omo ma me 2018.
2018.
Me patrol.
Next 2 years now be indefinite leave.
Me patrol.
Okay. And I also the call how many months in it?
Me the call September no. First September na me the 2 for the last month.
Okay. O ye fee waiver na.
There be money fee waiver no.
UTI.
Me patrol.
Yeah. So applications no omuni service standards by your experience they say it 6 months to 1 year. Hopefully no would in 1 year because what they call September yeah well March into just about 6 months. Ubet me atro mo epusuma here. Why?
Me patrol me track because my sister also quite want to make red book no from now on.
Kra wo baby da so would you kwaku a wontimi nge red book.
Okay.
Me kra wo baby ana men cancel that. Yeah me kai na say statement Shabana Mahmood our home secretary or kind of 5th of March 2026 on white paper May 2025 statement of changes November 2025 NSA the entire omopeso omu 5 years edical 10 years ne say unya indefinite ebie kwan ma ama wokɔgye kwaku enti on person nkrofo wakɔgye kwaku ebekɔ so yɛ 10 billion over the lifetime no oye free 5 years akɔ 10 years me advice ne sɛ obi gye kwaku na saa de no ba ana aba yɛ adwuma ba wotie me video ni yie a si na mmom yɛ obi mu a ɔmo ntimi ngyaegye because of yare ana nkola ti ohima oba bi nti ɛwɔ sɛ wonya income na yɛde support wa ankasa anka oba nsɛ me free so ohima tena wa de so because we am wadi 10 years dada into o problem ne sɛn
Me patrol you. Me patrol me 2018 I'm with my January from Wow office.
That's correct.
January no. Me try to compare some of the baby na come the court. My thing say me qualify from November na come the court because the day was January 2028.
That's correct.
Yeah no. Okay. Me patrol me that.
2027 November December obetimi de indefinite na to. Why?
Me patrol me that.
Kosoje no why adwuma.
Me that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Another no hoye.
Me patrol ne hoye.
Okay. Yo. Michi abema no why?
Patrol you na me show.
That's okay.
Me separate more that catch na me friend.
No pekra me who text me, yeah. Bye bye.
Okay. Yeah, you better see. You know about something there. No, I'm call. Okay. So my member audio we na feel no. Na yinti ono so no dia or the MI or Leslie.
Good morning, lawyer. I hope say so adumo ye me so mo ye pa. Me so oba no mimi okrumi adada ba mini enoma. Na oba no na me ye skill worker nurse man no. Nti oni okunu ene baaye. Nti oba na awo ba mu. Nti awo ba mu saa no. Na lawyer ka say passport no. Metime gyina ne certificate no de ayɛ na de ayɛ 2.5 ni bia na medas
Lo already obi voice note or the buy no nti so owo bibi kan ho a na yinti say bibi aso no ne
O say awo abama. O say birth certificate ayɛ den.
mama just minute na me for young people we na feel me yan dey no adwuma. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, but you did be because if you wada ma. Mpacho eya mamuntie yin free radio no so muntie yin free mu phone no so cause ye no mo kasa free phone so wutie yin free radio no so a ebeye mistake I say radio no delay nti wan hwe ne ya obakasa wutie radio no so respond to na ye be kasa obegina so a kakra answer radio no so be respond to answer wa nti esa na e delay won nti yesra mu what say ya pick one na wodum radio and answer what twe ho free radio no ne no kasa phone so wi a wotumi aye fast na wakotie wo ho back de wa kan na wotumi akotie because radio na be delay nti ebebo wa won sem na wo kan ebebo late the amount so na mo nsha na so mfa mami why good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Pacho odi be because for that room.
Yeah. Pacho me question hello.
What even can?
Yeah, me too.
It wouldn't be because for that room.
Alaji FM
Alaji Pacho ya no wapeja unzema mamwa na.
Okay.
Voice of phone. Yeah.
Me person bisa about long residence. Say only GP letter bia say 1 to 20 years wa. A witness ben I would bet me approve now or application.
Ohene yeah long residence. I will say we prove afibia of 20 years now. Ade a yɛde prove ɛyɛ GP letters, bank statements, pay slips, P60s, P45s, utility bill, gas, water, electricity. And yɛde
Now we bank statement.
Ɔhene ɔmo de mfa ɔmo ho wo na wo so watena ha 20 years. Ti wo na wo sɛ wo prove. Ɛwɔ sɛ wo pɛ documents na wo de prove. Unfortunately no, obi twerɛtwerɛ letters ma wo for 20 years a ɛnyɛ adwuma. Minhu obi a watena kurom ha for 20 years a ɔne GP da. Minhu bi da, ɛnyɛ possible. Ti sɛ wo so watena ha a wowɔ passport a wode baeɛ a fine, ɛno na a start date no. But every single year, I will say we need BB a kyerɛ na wote ha. Wokɔ kasa wo no woni paper nti wanyɛ adwuma a mo inform ho. Na kyerɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ mo refuse you. Nti I will say me when na wopɛ documents. Why?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. For next call. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
But your voice of phone power, that room, good
morning.
Yeah. What did you be able to say for you? Yeah, we voice and but your we are Bema now one my base in AP one go for the lies to be party. Yeah, okay. And but your yentio loyalty.
But well, I'm present with this me our na ya wale de experience yani but me ankasa me nkrataa no nhwea 9 next year na menya January na menya 5 years. It me try think me akɔhwɛ indefinitely, but your call no ɔmo baby say the me na bibi ayɛ no ɔmo baby say that yɛtwitwa aware no mu no divorce no saa da no memfa ɔbaa no improve sɛ ɔwɔ kurom ha no mu a na mekɔɔeɛ no ɔbaa no sɛ ɔno no sisi ɔne me bibi ayɛ yɛtwitwa mu nti mea menyɛe nti mama my lawyer na I withdraw and maybe sank there like say goodness year na January na 5 years na no the kwa omu here ɔbaa no bibia
very difficult. I mean, first of all, sir, issue with my account, I can say, 30 minutes ago, na me address it. So, who the divorce require was such as a data, who divorce Obano, not Obano Okromoha. And the law, na case law, court to say, and yet date now, we divorce, but data was starting process. And the I was say, Obano, our indefinite that ubetime at the year next year, person train ubetime the year. Why?
and it's an person make sense and next year no let's make to me I train next year na me kwa na just omu here ɔbaa no bibia because anya ade me kwa menya mboa wɔ no na sɛ me ame kuno
Ɔhene ofele application na yebisa say we EU no wa apply for settlement na ɔso wa apply a what in a reference show ɔno nti na yɛma wasetena no wagyaa no wongyaa no still ɔno nti a kyɛ wo sɛ wonya saa reference no why
but you the reference the normal no the normal no dia me wo but no na me di share mu na ye ko bi sa say da ye aware no divorce no ba no wo kroma
minim lawyer ko a ɔyɛ ma wo but saa nneɛma wei
I think so, yeah.
Strategy and the open source train next year, January. It's up to you. Why?
Okay, yeah. So and also be here say over for lawyer na and also office na lawyer to me na and also in your come why na nyame ko yan show. We last call you na call Pamela one after you the Pamela word the man. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Pacho me da se my friend Pacho. Pacho
nyabutre.
Okay.
So be anta also there. Nyabutre na for question the man because I said do you will be media and should you na question I would but I could say before.
No question.
Nti nyabutre pa.
Pacho nyina ne say my sister bi na wo ko fa na ba no bra ko de na ba no na me sister no wo kunu ewo baba abema ya abema no fa no 16 se na kwa no 17 May yam na papa no di ekrom he book no na wase say wotumi ko di wie na akwa no nti betumi agina so agi ha book no abra ya enya ne ba no mu akwa no mo depend enemy sister no na me fa say papa no di book na akwa no betumi agina so enso agi book no bia na
ɔhene okasa no wa join no minhu ne tine ne nan o se o sister wo kumu ha o sister wo kumu ha
Mr. no ha
okay ana ne kun akɔfa ne o sister baba
Daddy, I know what the sister number. And
ana sister number
and I and my sister number. It's my friend I probably depend my sister no.
Okay, until then I person woman.
Me person who say that papa no dey any come here book na. Papa so qualify say on the na so any book na.
Akola no or indefinite stay.
That be the kuta your mama na no be na mo de ma no.
Mpacho, obi a yam wono wa ha, oni indefinite stay a, ontime nya British. Why?
Patrick Mate. That's
Sakola yam wono krom ha na oni indefinite a, ontime nya British.
okay. Patrick Mate. But that's the problem. That's it.
So what is the mother amo?
Patrick, I more than
what's yes. You be shit why? You be shit. Okay. Hana the phone lines in your base. I think say you be calling here. Pamela, akwa na or the portal cast no their brain enough. You know, if you want your bank be on your budget the last submission after the made in your baby. Sans I'm running copper. The next show no so about take over. Na just say Uncle Joe I crowd on na pamfo. I crowd on baby take over na the ones so that so meeting. Heading another to Jago OP the second higher rainbow 92.4 FM. Also live on DAB Plus. Until my menko na many Pamela and Koshena young chefs or the podcast and brain and if you want to. So Pamela, let's hear from you.
Good morning, OPD. Good morning, Mr. Wusu. Good morning to all our lovely viewers. Today, our topic is on when is a genuine and subsisting relationship required under the immigration rules. So, when you are making an application and it involves your partner, there is something which is known as a sham marriage or a marriage of convenience. If the Home Office suspects you are in one of these marriages, your application can be refused. So usually when people are switching from student visa to a graduate route visa or maybe even a skilled worker visa and they're extending it with their partners, a lot of times you realize that they don't have the same address. So one person can be living in, let's say, Manchester, the other person can be living in Birmingham. Something like this could raise suspicion because if you are in a genuine marriage or a genuine and subsisting relationship, why is one person living in one place and one person living in another place? Yes, you can be working at two different locations. However, it is important that your addresses pass one place. So the Home Office will look at documentary evidence that they've gathered, personal statements and supporting letters, and then some of the answers you've given on your form, your application form, or even a previous application form. So as I was saying, if your addresses are different, it can raise suspicion. So it's important that you have, let's say, the same GP. Your GP is at one place. So if you get married, it's important that you and your partner move to the same GP so that if you are submitting your application documents, you can have your GP saying that so so and so and so so and so attend this same GP. It's also important that your bank statement should pass the same address. So you can have a joint bank account. If you don't have a joint bank account and you have separate bank accounts, then your individual account should pass the same address. If you also have a tenancy agreement under both of your names, it's very helpful. But if you are a lodger, you can get your landlord to write a letter for you saying that you and your partner are lodgers in this address and so you do not pay any rent. That is also very helpful. If you have almost all these things passing the same address, it is going to be more likely than not that your application will be refused on the suspicion of a sham marriage or a marriage of convenience. Also, if you are working somewhere else and your family home is somewhere else with your partner, please change your pay slips to your family home. It doesn't matter that you are working somewhere else or in a different city. The reason they ask for your address is for postal purposes. So if you are working in Birmingham but your family home is in Manchester, please give your Manchester address to your employer for immigration purposes. If the Home Office too has a suspicion, they have to tell you why they suspect that your marriage is a marriage of convenience or a sham marriage, and they also have to tell you the law that they are standing on to suspect that your marriage is one of convenience or it's a sham marriage. If you followed all the steps, like all the things, and you have proven that you are not in a marriage of convenience or a sham marriage, it is up to them now to prove that your relationship is one of convenience or is a sham marriage. And there is a case of NAS, which in which the judge said it is reasonable that if someone says that they are in a genuine relationship, then they'll have to prove supporting an affectionate relationship. So how you can do that is by providing your evidence of contact, the emotional support, the welfare and well-being, and affection and abiding interest in each other. So how you can do this is by documenting your life. Let's say your partner has bought you things for Mother's Day, International Women's Day, whatever. Do you have proof of it? Is it on your bank statement that yes, the person bought you flowers, the person took you out for dinner? You can have pictures, you can have, proof of everything that has been done so that it shows that yes, you are in a genuine and subsisting relationship. You have to show the affection and the companionship by documenting your life. You can use that to prove that you are in a genuine relationship. And if you are also making an extension application, when you were first making your application, maybe granted you were not living together, but if let's say a year has passed, a year, 2 years, what have you done? Your anniversary, what's the proof that maybe you've done something? Did you go out? Do you have proof of it? Did your partner buy you flowers or did you buy your partner flowers? Where's the proof of that? That all helps to show that you are in a genuine and subsisting relationship. So please, it's important to remember this, that for the purposes of immigration, if you are going to put in your application, let's say you're switching from a graduate route to a partner route, or even to, no, sorry, from a student visa to a graduate route visa, or even a partner route visa, any visa you are switching from, whether it's skilled worker, whether it's student visa, whether it's graduate route to a partner visa, or any visa with a partner, please have the same address, have the same GP. If you can, have the same joint account. If you cannot, to let your individual account pass one address. If you are working, let your pay slips also be at the same address. You should have a tenancy agreement which have both your names as tenants. If you don't, please let your landlord write a letter saying that both of you live at the same address as lodgers. So maybe you are not paying rent. You also should document your life, as this will help prove that you are in a genuine and subsisting relationship. Once again, remember that if you have done all this to prove that your relationship is genuine and not one of convenience or a sham marriage, then the burden shifts onto the Home Office to prove why they believe that your marriage is, or your relationship is, not genuine or is a sham one. Thank you very much. I hope this helps all of us. Have a nice day.
Okay, so thank you so much, Pamela. Na yanko Uncle Ben wana fi yanko wiye na fi no my advert bank makumi no bi na fi no my source na Uncle Joe na pam for so aba take over our studios hanti Uncle Ben my member of na fi yen wiye yen source na yanfa dia kan so ma yen nuan no so mo so meto aso Uncle Ben maminti
Okay, interne asema ya kano ebe border tofa. First of all, ye hu say especially omo ye students, omo de omo ye ana mo kumo ewa ha. Ana omo wo skilled graduate route, omo ko skilled route. Ye hu say dodo na omo a the information ma home office ma ye refuse wo. Ko omo your application na omo the two different addresses eguso. Munjai sa de na ye. Two, because of genuine and subsisting relationship requirement, my advice is mo start ewura kromo hana na mo gather evidence kyerɛ sɛ mo ti bom, mo yɛ nneɛma bom, mo wɔ affection, mo wɔ devotion, ne nyinaa ne companionship. Then na wobɛyɛ same address on bank statement, on pay slips, on P60s, same GP and the same address. Utility bills, tenancy agreement, se mo wɔ bia. Mo dodoɔ na mo kɔtena nkurɔfoɔ fie, mo kɔ high rooms. Ti ebi a woni utility, woni tenancy. My fie run on nkyerɛ letter and confirm sɛ mo te hɔ. Finally, mo wɔ anniversary. Kɔ mo ware date bi. Saa date in every year bia ɛba once a year. Then na mo yɛ. Mo gather pictures. Wotɔ flowers. Mo kɔ out. Woyɛ wo story enti. Woyɛ narrative about, I don't know. Every year be a Valentine's Day, Ghana for friend a chocolate day. Then every year be more 2 birthdays. More birthday, Anna or partners or birthday. Then more share any flowers and our gifts and our BB. Nina o discanato. I cash purchases. Most of the purchases are by card, and Apple Pay, and contact pay. Today, you know, bank statements or receipts. Your deliberate effort, put in much effort. Na for gather sa evidence when you know. Na basa way your application and got to chuma. The final advice, says, oh yes, I did so. Mummy and no, mo say even back an application jabakwa, and send a second one be an application. Onje copy of the first person or Now on your show say bibia or can or no so echo repeat the same thing. Now a very easy and money problem. Tiano pay way and the bijamo.
Okay, and I pay way and yedi bejam when I just say Uncle Ben I would say and cano BWF solicitors and I pay the mudi have film na me Jimmy Sawa if you end up course in ya and then to pick a course in ya was to send for one some enti masraw from and I pay now no want to chunk come and say I am from so the age man from the time so and so now office the offer which mean more time no market na waka one some the chairman send you want to come radio so no office the which me aka na no so to me abo from 020 849373 40 84937340 eno an office line did juma emergency line obetumi afre 077 1276 1884 077 1276 1884 eno emergency line o friend and pay ya beje osu no what to nkom bombodi na hwehwe yi ne kira kwan ewo 4th floor Annan House 4th floor Annan House 214/218 High Road 214/218 High Road 7 Sisters yani postcode yedi juma N15 4NP N15 4NP and the postcode and the pay is all drive here ubetimi dia ade driver de locate and we go drive no so no na we did allocate and na bibia so tumi akamenti and the pay me din kan but mo de na block office oba between ye be hwe ye be boa mo tumi agent na so say esu na wo de baya wo de ani gbp e de akọ na bibia so etumi akamenti and the pay aha na ye de dwumadi ni ye si na ye akọ na afi no Yama and Joe, and then a pam for Sababatina, no more did your moon so area Ben Rainbow 90.4 FM. Tiene, and Kibemo Bedin Krana, film my bar studio Hana, Yane studio for Sababedin Cranty. BWF solicitors, and Ben, only with me a phone and pay, you didn't can next week, you ever share. Now you did your home so area my powerful. Until you know more and crap.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner, with over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, 7 Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.